Alright, here we go. Walgreens to sell CBD, and other stores actually also to sell CBD. Let's find out what's going on over here. According to Forbes, here's the article. It says drugstore chains turn to CBD sales amid prescription reimbursement pressures. Let's take a look at this over here. News that Rite Aid will test the scale of CBD products in 2 states on the West Coast in the latest move by big retail drugstore chains to tap an emerging market of the compound derived from cannabis. CBD is on the rise. There's a lot of people talking about it, right? So let's read on over here. Rite Aid's pilot of CBD sales follows similar tests disclosed in just the last month by CVS Health and Walgreens Boots Alliance, which are all seeing intensifying reimbursement pressure from prescription drugs. Pharmacies are receiving less money for filling prescriptions as prices for generic drugs have dropped. That is definitely some huge pressure for these drugstores because they make a lot of their money from the prescriptions. So let's see here. Here's a quote. It says, We've heard from many customers about their interest in purchasing CBD products." That's a quote. There you go. If your customers are asking for it, then that's definitely a move in the right direction, right? It says here, this is by Rite Aid Chief Operations Officer Brian Everett. He told the analyst Thursday on the company's fourth quarter earnings call, in response to this interest, this month we will begin piloting the sale of CBD creams, lotions, and lip balms at Rite Aid stores in Oregon and Washington to better meet the needs and preferences of our customers in those communities. So they're going to do lip balms, lotions, and creams. Okay. A lot of the CBD is sold, they're just liquid that you just put in your mouth. Doesn't look like they're going to be doing that in the beginning. But let's see what else it says over here. Walgreens and CVS Health made similar disclosures in the last month in regard to CBD, over-the-counter products that don't require a physician's prescription. Okay. I guess there's different kinds of CBD in different strengths. It's used for dogs. I guess dogs, they give it to dogs a lot to just calm them down. But I know my uncle gets a prescription for CBD for his dog, and it actually comes through the vet. But there are stores popping up all over now, as it mentions here, that don't need a prescription. Let's see what else it says over here. The CBD related items we plan to carry are non-THC containing topical creams, patches, and sprays. Walgreens spokesperson Phil said, "This product offering is aligned with our efforts to provide a wider range of accessible health and well-being products and services that best meet the needs and preferences of our customers." Okay, so as we mentioned earlier, if the customers are asking for it, that's it. THC is the compound that gives you the high, so that factor is going to be gone. That's the thing that makes you, that does give you the high when you smoke marijuana or whatever else. So it's not going to be any properties, and that's how they're getting it over the counter, right? Walgreens said it is offering CBD products in nearly 1,500 stores in Oregon, Colorado, New Mexico, Kentucky, Tennessee, Vermont, South Carolina, Illinois, and Indiana, the drugstore chain said. That's a lot of stores right there. CVS too began selling hemp-derived CBD products in select stores in California, Colorado, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Maryland, and Tennessee, a company spokesperson said. Wow, so they're really going after the market. This is a huge market. Everybody's talking about it. There's mom and pop stores popping up, and right now it's not a controlled substance. So let's see what else it says over here. The products include topicals such as creams, sprays, roll-ons, lotions, and sobs. CVS spokesperson Michael said, "We are not selling any CBD containing supplements or food additives." Okay. Whether CBD products actually provide a benefit to consumers and patients is still an open question. According to health experts, it is a kind of here's a quote over here. It says it is a kind of new snake oil, in the sense that there are a lot of claims and not so much evidence. I'm not sure you should be saying anything like that if you're going to be selling the product, but nonetheless, he did say it. So that's Dustin Lee, an assistant professor in psychiatry and behavioral sciences at Johns Hopkins University, told the New York Times in a February story. Well, the thing is that here's the bottom line, right? If it doesn't work, people aren't going to use it. And there's a lot of people that use it. There's even people at my work that use it, and they say it just calms them down. I mean, they're and some of them actually, doctors told them to try it. So, and there's veterinarians telling owners to tell their dogs all the time about it, so to calm them down, and it just relaxes you. So, I mean, that's just the basics, right? It depends on where you're getting it from, how much the dosage is, and how pure it is, right? So let's see what else it says here. It says the retail drugstore chains say they are closely monitoring the safety and effectiveness of such products and have carefully vetted the CBD manufacturers. Okay, well, hopefully a large company like that, and I guess, I don't know. I mean, like I said, a lot of times when you see it, it's just comes in a liquid form, and it's literally a droplet that you use, that you just take it and put it on your tongue. So that's interesting. They're not going after that market. So it's just, like they said, it's not a supplement, but anyway. Here's a quote. It says, "We are working with several CBD product manufacturers that are complying with applicable laws and that meet CVS's high standards for quality," CVS spokesperson said. "We have also partnered with Eurofins, a third-party laboratory, to test all CBD topicals for THC not to exceed a 0.3% threshold." Okay. CBD content and certain contaminants. Only products passing these independent tests are offered for sale in our stores. Okay. Well, here's the one question that I do have about this. Is that what is the effectiveness of it being absorbed into your skin, right? That's the main question over here. Looks like they're going to be selling roll-ons, sprays, and deodorants, and salves, and things like that. All of those seem like you just rub it in your skin. It's not anything that you take orally. And from the most part, at least, I'm not an expert, but maybe you could let me know. From what we see, the people that take it are, it's liquid form that you take orally. So. But that's the only question I have, and it looks like CBD is on the rise. Let me know down in the comments below. Have you tried CBD? Do you know what it is? Is this just a fad or something like that? These guys are just looking to profit. Obviously, they have to get their stock up, right? So, but there it is. If you like seeing these videos, hit that image in the center over there, and you can subscribe to News Bytes TV. And if you like the video, hit that thumbs up and share the video. And if you want to watch more News Bytes clips, just click on one of the images on the left over there, and you can start watching more videos. And we'll talk to you soon.